Hi everyone, welcome back to your coffee break with ChinesePod. I'm Alice.
Hi, 大家好，欢迎来到中文播客，我是庆林。在公司中，常常有机会和老板或同事聊天。怎么聊天才能让别人觉得你比较好相处呢？
One thing we are all familiar with is making small talk, especially in the office space, where silence can make you sometimes feel a little socially awkward. In today's lesson, we are going to teach you some common conversation fillers you can use in Chinese.
没错，聊天的技巧很重要。今天我们就来讨论一下，让我们开始吧。
Some things are inevitable, such as running into your colleague or taking the same elevator as your boss. Lynn, what are some topics you might say in situations like these?
我怕说错话，所以我都说一些生活上的事。
Like what? Are there some icebreakers we can learn?
有，比如周末有什么计划啊？这样我们就有很多东西可以聊。
So for example, what are you up to this weekend?
我也常常说你看起来怎么样？比如您看起来气色很好。
That's true. I've noticed that Chinese people like to use topics of appearances as a conversation starter, such as, you look radiant today.
你也可以说你看起来很有精神。
Another way to start a conversation is speaking about current affairs. You can use the following sentence structure. 你听说 something something 了吗? Such as the increase in oil price.
你听说油价要涨了吗？也可以说，你听说他要结婚了吗？
Or have you heard that someone is getting married?
开始聊天之后，我们也要知道该怎么回答。
Yes, indeed. Holding a conversation is just as important as starting one. You can use the following phrases to agree to an opinion, followed by your thoughts.
如果我们同意对方的话，我们可以说的确如此。
Which means that's true.
如此就是这样的意思，所以我们也可以说的确是这样。我们也可以说您说的对。
Which means you're correct.
您说的很有道理。
道理 means sense. So this simply means that makes a lot of sense.
我们也常常可以听到我也这么认为。
Which means I agree.
你也可以说我有同感。同感就是同样的感觉。我们来做个练习吧。现在我是老板。
And I'll be your employee.
我觉得我们公司的员工最近挺辛苦的。
我也这么认为。
也许大家需要好好休息一下。
老板，你说的很有道理。
不如我们来个员工旅游吧。
员工旅游 a corporate getaway. 当然好。Let's try a different scenario.
我还是老板。最近订单很少啊。
So our recent purchasing orders have decreased. 的确是这样。
应该是因为淡季。
So it might be because of low season. 淡季。你说的很有道理，我也这么认为。
不过我们还是得好好加油。
的确如此。There are also certain phrases we can use as conversation fillers to express that we're surprised or confused in the form of a rhetorical question.
当我们很惊讶或是怀疑的时候，我们可以这样说：怎么会这样？
So how is that possible?
真的吗？
Or really? Or you can use
Hello. We are so glad that you're enjoying this video so far, but you're not getting the full lesson here. The full lesson and the rest of this video are available on our site, ChinesePod.com. Give it a try and see how much more we have to offer. We have exercises, expanded examples, vocabulary, and downloadable material. You cannot get that here on YouTube. So visit our website today, enter GRACE as the promo code, and get 20% off our premium subscriptions. I'll see you at ChinesePod.com.
But hurry, only the first 300 subscribers are allowed to redeem this deal. Use promo code GRACE for 20% off your entire premium subscription and launch your real learning experience.
ChinesePod, ChinesePod.